In a remote desert, sandstorms were believed to be nature's wrath. Locals whispered about the whispering sands, storms that sang eerie tunes. Scientists arrived, curious about the storm's effects on the ecosystem. They discovered that the storms carried seeds from distant lands, creating unexpected oases. As they studied, a storm approached, and they heard the whispers. To their shock, the whispers were in ancient dialects, warning of an impending ecological shift. The storms weren't just nature's fury, they were nature's messengers. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.